I got tired of posting random content and hoping it would sell something, so I gave myself 100 days to build a system that could sell my courses and PDFs on Autopilot for free. Here's what happened. Day 1. I opened a blank Notion page and typed, "What am I actually selling?" That day, I decided on one main product, a mini course that helped freelancers organize their workflow. It was based on a Notion dashboard I already used every day. Day 2. I opened Google Docs and outlined 3 small offers that could lead people to the main course: a free checklist, a $5 Notion template, and a short training video. Day 3. I made a tally form asking people about their biggest struggle in managing clients. I shared it online. 10 people filled it out within hours. Days 4 to 7, I mapped the whole funnel inside Notion. Day 8 to 10, I gave everything a name. The PDF became Client Clarity Checklist. The Notion template became the Clean Desk Dashboard. The course became Freelance Reset. Day 11, I opened Canva and started building the checklist. Day 12, I designed a clean cover, then exported it with the checklist as a PDF and tested it on my phone. Day 13, I created a landing page on Tally. Day 14, I set up MailerLite and built an email automation. As soon as someone signed up, they got the download link. 2 days later, another email went out with a small tip from the checklist to build trust. Days 15 to 25, I subscribed myself to make sure every link worked. I added a small call to action at the end of each email saying, "Reply and tell me your biggest block." Every reply gave me new ideas for products and content. Day 26. I opened Koala Writer and wrote a blog post called "How to Stop Losing Track of Clients." It linked directly to my free checklist. Day 27. I used ChatGPT to turn that blog into a short video script. I recorded a quick voiceover on my phone and uploaded it to Pictory. It matched my voice with stock clips and text on screen. The video looked clean and ready to share. Day 28 to 35. I repeated that process again and again. Blog post, then short video, then social caption. Every piece of content led back to my free checklist. Day 36 to 45. The numbers started to grow. 20 visitors a day became 50, then 80. Some downloaded the checklist. A few bought the $5 Notion template. Day 46. I opened Payhip to create a sales page for my mini course. Days 47 to 50, I added sections explaining what people would get in the course. I recorded a Loom video showing the inside of the course and added it to the top of the page. Days 51 to 55, I used Canva to create product mockups. I uploaded them to the sales page so people could see what they were buying. Days 56 to 65, I wrote a thank you email that sent instantly after purchase. 2 days later, another email offered the Notion dashboard at a discount. That simple upsell started bringing in extra sales. Day 66. I opened Notion and made a database called Publishing Calendar. I added columns for date, platform, link, and status. Day 67 to 70, I set up Buffer and scheduled 5 posts promoting the free checklist. Each post went to LinkedIn, X, and Facebook. Day 71, I tried Repurpose. It automatically turned one of my long YouTube videos into short clips and posted them as Reels. I didn't have to edit or upload manually. Day 72 to 85. The system ran smoothly. Every Sunday, I dropped 1 blog post and 1 video into Buffer. It handled the posting during the week. Day 86. I made a simple dashboard in Google Sheets to track everything. Columns for week number, new signups, open rates, and sales. Every Friday, I updated the numbers. Day 87 to 95. I built a tally form for post-purchase feedback. The answers showed me what to highlight in future sales pages. Real customer words became my marketing copy. Day 96. I recorded my full setup with Loom so I could hand it off if I ever wanted to hire help. Day 97 to 99. I spent these days cleaning up everything, archived old drafts, renamed files, and updated all links. Day 100. Same desk, same laptop, completely different life. My phone buzzed. Another sale. I opened Google Sheets and added 1 more number to the total. For the first time, it felt like my effort had turned into something stable. 100 days is long enough to build something that changes how you live and work. When will you start your day 1?